No legitimate app that pays real money is completely free of age requirements, because payment platforms, privacy laws, and local regulations require users to meet minimum age rules or have permission from a parent or guardian where allowed. By the end of this video, you'll know why no age restriction claims are misleading, and which legitimate reward apps are worth looking at instead. The first app is iFreeCashion. It rewards users for completing game offers, surveys, and other online tasks. Creating an account is simple, but users must still meet the platform's eligibility requirements and follow the rules for their country before redeeming rewards. Next is InaCash Giraffe. Android users earn coins by playing supported mobile games and can redeem those coins for available rewards. Although getting started is straightforward, the app still has age and eligibility requirements outlined in its terms of service. Third is NiJustPlayin. The app lets users earn rewards by playing games from its library. Like other legitimate reward platforms, it has account requirements that users must satisfy before receiving payments. That means it isn't accurate to describe it as having no age restriction. The fourth option is a rewarded playing toy. The app rewards Android users for trying recommended games and exchanging earned points for gift cards. Users are expected to follow the platform's eligibility rules, including any age requirements that apply in their region. The fifth app is iScramble. You earn by reaching milestones inside partner games and completing eligible offers. Before creating an account or requesting rewards, users should review the platform's terms to make sure they meet all eligibility requirements. Here's the part that's easy to miss. Videos promising real money games with no age restriction usually leave out the legal requirements. A platform may let you browse games or install the app, but redeeming rewards often requires meeting its minimum age policy and complying with local laws. Payment providers such as PayPal also have their own account eligibility rules. If you're under the required age, don't try to work around those policies by creating a false account. That can lead to suspended accounts and lost rewards. Instead, check the app's terms, ask a parent or guardian if appropriate, and wait until you're eligible to use the platform. The safest approach is to choose a well-known reward app, read its eligibility rules before signing up, and only use services that clearly explain how their rewards work. If this video helped clear up the confusion, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering legitimate reward and real money gaming apps for 2026.